What are we cooking today, Joyce?
I'm making a minced pork with lotus root. Make a little pancake. Then I'm gonna make a sauce. How bad can it be? I'm gonna show you how to prep the lotus root.
Is that in season all year round?
I see it all the time, maybe from different part of the world. Sometimes the peel doesn't work, and then I use the knife, scrape it, because it dented a little bit. At the same time, you get a face. When you scrape it, sometimes you have water come out, go under the water. I'm gonna cut it out.
Doesn't have a seed?
No. We'll make soup with it.
I don't remember.
Because it's soup. You know, I will make a bunch, and I'm gonna put it in here. And I'm gonna mince the pork. Then we can make little pancake. Pork. I'm gonna cut it smaller because I want to mince it. Well, I asked the butcher. I said I want a piece that is gonna be good to mince. And he said, "Oh, this is it's tasty." Oh, every time we mince pork, it's never minced that good. The butcher can mince it, first of all. They're not washing the meat. Second of all, God knows when they wash the machine. Yeah? I'm putting some dry shrimp. See that I soaked it already.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some minced ginger. I like a lot of ginger. Lazy, I'm gonna put it in this bowl too.
Deglazing the bowl, Joyce.
No. Okay, I will do the second batch. Throw this in too, and then mix the other half.
The shrimp's far enough, Joyce.
Close enough. I'm gonna mix it in here, and then I'm gonna marinate like half a teaspoon cornstarch. Like half a cream, you know? Because this much meat, maybe 1 tablespoon, a little bit of dark soy. I don't want it too dark, that's why I'm putting very little. And then ginger. And just mix it.
How long do you marinate it for?
Not long. A lot of this kind of Chinese cooking, they don't marinate for much because it's home cooking. You come back from work, and then you just make it and then eat it. A little bit of sugar. Because I want to mix more in. Then I basically making 1 or 2 at a time. Because this is pork and this might need to cook a little longer. I'm going to mince some ginger. Colvin said, "Are you going to cut the whole piece? You're not supposed to." Well, let's see how you like it. If you don't like it, I can always make more. Well,
I always end up liking it, Joyce. So just make it all.
Hey, it's good to make people happy. And it's easy to make Colvin happy. Hey, this is New York City for you. I'm going to put some vinegar in first. Let the ginger marinate. Little Japanese vinegar. You can see the smile on Colvin's face. Little red Chinese vinegar. I'm not going to mix anything in it yet. I'm going to let it sit, let the flavor come out. Sea salt.
To balance it.
And then honey. And how bad can it be, right? See, eating up.
That looks really good, Joyce.
You're going to be the taster. Let's sit for like 5 minutes. Let's see how it tastes. And also for the honey to dissolve. Heat up some oil. Not a lot of oil, like 2 tablespoons. This feels really wet. I'm going to put a little cornstarch on the outside. Because of the cornstarch, which will splash less. But I don't want to have too much cornstarch. Don't move it until it form a crust on the bottom before I turn it. See that it form a crust, right? You turn it upside down. Still don't do anything to it because all will fall apart. This is a trick. See, right? Be patient. Also, that this is pork anyway. You need to cook it for longer. As shrimp, I might have a different approach.
You can use shrimp too?
Yeah, you can use shrimp. Okay, now you can squash it down. Then you're gonna let it cook and then flip it, and then we'll be done. Okay, I'm gonna flip it now. And I put it on the side because it's pork. I want to make sure that it's cooked. Then I put the second one in it. Second one is steak. This one should be faster. Yes. I should start taking this one out. I don't want to burn it, right? put it on a towel. Then you might want to pick this out because then also burn the oil. They have to taste right before you put sesame oil. Ginger too.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna top with a little bit of sesame oil. 2. Yeah. Colvin's like big, small plate and small bowl. Picture time. Smells good, right?